High in the Himalayas, where clouds kiss the snow-covered peaks, a forgotten gateway has reopened. Welcome to Shipki La, a mountain pass that isn't just a path through rocks and ridges, but a living story of history, culture, and hope. Where is Shipki La? Shipki La Pass lies in the Kinnaur district of Himachal, Pradesh, right on the India-China border. At 3,930 meters above sea level, it's one of the highest motorable mountain passes in the country. For centuries, this very route connected India to Tibet, not just for trade, but for traditions that shaped entire civilizations. Its glorious past. Long before modern borders and geopolitical tensions, this pass served as a vital link between the Bhushar kingdom in India and the Guj kingdom in Tibet. And it wasn't mere commerce, it was sacred. Folklore speaks of an oath. Until the waters of Mansarovar dry, until a black crow turns white, and the mighty Risaho peak flattens. This bond shall never break. A poetic promise that held firm for centuries, until war and politics silenced the route. Why was it closed? The Sino-India War of 1962 was the first major blow. The Doklam standoff and the COVID-19 pandemic followed. The vibrant exchange of goods, ideas, and people faded into memory. Commercial trade remains closed to this day. But on June 10th, 2025, something changed. A new beginning in Himachal Pradesh, Chief Minister Sukhvinder Singh Sukhu inaugurated Shipki La Pass for Indian tourists. No permit needed, just your Aadhaar card. For the communities of Kinnaur, many from scheduled tribes and castes, this is more than tourism. It's a cultural revival. Their ancestors walked this path. Now they welcome us to do the same. What was traded? The trade that once flowed through Shipki La was rich and diverse. From Tibet came wool, mutton, yaks, turquoise, and religious artifacts like prayer wheels and thankas. From India went grains, lentils, dried fruits, timber, tobacco, copper, iron tools, and spices. Gold and turquoise weren't just imports. They shaped Kanuri women's jewelry, sustained artisans, and inspired traditions. Why the excitement now? Even though Shipki La never accounted for huge trade volumes, its value lies elsewhere. Reopening this pass could shorten the Delhi to Mansarovar pilgrimage by 14 days. A potential game-changer for spiritual tourism? It could boost employment, revive local economies, and reconnect broken cultural ties. A cultural bridge. Unlike borders with Pakistan, where blood relatives were split, the Indo-Tibetan border is defined by shared lifestyles. They share faith, festivals, folklore, and above all, resilience. Shipki La is more than a road reopening. It's a reopening of possibilities. A soft step toward diplomacy, a hard-won chance for development, and a living link to a shared past. Will this sacred pass become the corridor of peace we need today? Tell us what you think in the comments below. And if this story moved you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.